Fine morning, everybody. This is N. Raju, and in the today's class of industrial robotics, we'd like to proceed with the artificial intelligence techniques and the programming languages which are utilized in the robotics. As previously, the basic introduction related to the implementation of this artificial intelligence in the robotics, we have a detailed look, and regarding the purpose of utilization and towards the applications of this artificial intelligence implementation with some points leads to an complete automation technology and increasing the productivity by decreasing the labor with good machinability characteristics by maintaining a well finished quality and even the quantity, which increases the demand of the products within the marketing sector. Hence, we already discussed that maximum of the time lapsings and quantity of the production will be increased within the less span of time by maintaining the perfect quality as per the vendor specifications will be leads to comments in the case of this artificial intelligence technique. The main aspect of or the main goal of this artificial intelligence is to take the self decisions depending upon the problems that has been arrived based on the situational statistics. So as per the situations in the live axary, the corresponding remedies should be taken by taking the self decisions just like as in human beings. That will be calling as this impartation of this artificial intelligence in the robotics. Simply, you will be calling as an andro humanoid or robot. So the programmable and equivalent to the human beings, as the decision making is the major important situation taken for the problems that has been arrived here. So coming to the goals, we'll be having a brief look towards these goals of this artificial intelligence impartation in the robotics. First one is the problem solving and the natural language which the programming will be given to the system that will process according to the instructions, and the change of instructions with the help of this controller has to be commenced by the impartation of this artificial intelligence based on the type of problem or the new kind of problem arrived than in the common ratio. Third one is the expert systems, giving the reason for the change of the program automatically based upon its knowledge, learning, having the vision, inference, and depending upon that, the research orientation should be getting progressed. So based upon these parameters or steps, we'll be formulating or getting analysis related to this artificial intelligence impartation within the robotics. Moving on to the techniques of this artificial intelligence in the today's class. So techniques. So name itself, it is clearly specifying that it's a different than the existing one. So the methodology which we are having right at present have to be differed than the executing methodology. So hence it may show or it must show a better efficiency levels than the existing methodology. Nothing but, for example, for commencing of one activity, it might be taking that 2 to 3 hours of time period. So by changing the process with a set of instructions, the process may commence within 1.5 hour to 2 hours time spacing. So hence minuting of the time than the previous process by 1 hour. So that is one of the technique that has been implemented by changing the minimal steps in the programming. So nothing but the data interpretation or change in the data or accessing the pointer spacings with respect to the new data than the existing one. For these techniques development, we are having two different tasks to be commenced. As we have discussed presently, that data representation and data manipulation. So editing should be getting deferred than the existing topic or existing program. And some of the logical interpretations has to be taken place for the better actualization of the exercisation of the program for commencement of the particular task, either of the pick and place of kind or moving the objects from one place to the another place, such as heavier objects, and in the fitting section or else in the assembly section, so etc. of the operations which will be progressed based on the program within the industrial sector. Coming to the point of this data representation or data manipulation, knowledge plays a major role. So knowledge, ability to understand. So the type of problem should be identified. Based on that, the representations need to be progressed. So in order to select the particular representation or data, editing or modulation, this knowledge plays a major role. So hence this knowledge representations will not be concerning with respect to the physical operation within the computer because of this operating system or intelligence statistics. The relationship facts with respect to the one and another or each other have to be clearly initiated. Hence, even for the running of any of the application within our mobile sources, such as computer device or else our mobiles, etc. This hardware plays a major role that we'll be calling the operating system, and the intelligence system based upon the application developed. So in order to run this application, the basic operator plays a major role, and hence the basic operator should be supported in order to execute the commands which are being programmed in the application. And hence, this intelligence system should be supported by the operating system. And it should be mutually interact with each other for exercising the commands or executing the data which has been represented by editing, or a new data which has been modulated within the robot need to be commenced presently. See, for the example, we can say that the statement such as some birds will be having the wings. Some birds have the wings. So it represents that majority of the birds will be having the wings, except some birds. Nothing but almost all. We can even consider that almost all the birds will be having the wings, except some birds. So duck will be considering as one of the bird, will be having the wings, but cannot be raised or cannot be fly to a higher altitudes. So crows, sparrows, parrots, pigeons, etc. can be high to the certain height levels. So maximum height levels. So there are various types of this knowledge which require its more representations related to the connectivity of this robotics terms or automation or implementation of this artificial intelligence. First one are the objects which specify particularly the facts, concerned facts about that particular objects. So here the objects will be referred to the robotics students who will drink heavily, or normally we can discuss the previous term such as that birds have the wings. So there is a major synonym to be represented. So the particular task need to be commenced. So the bird is an unique term which will be having the parts such as wings. So what to be executed in that? So birds are having the wings. So with that wings, what the activity should be commenced by that particular bird. So that is nothing but the event. So second point here it is the event. So event here represents the execution of the task with respect to the time and cause effect relation. So why it should be represented, why it should be done. So for example, we are taking the duck, it will be moving on the land, and even it can have the capability of swimming with respect to that particular wings on the water or mini ponds or lakes such as. So it should have that particular wings in order to actuate, otherwise it will be getting dipped into the ponds or lakes. So for that particular purpose, there is a task to move or to cross a river or sorry small lakes or ponds, that the duck should activate the wings in order to cross that particular lakes or ponds. Third one, the performance. So here, performance is nothing but the commencement of the activity. So whether it is fulfilling the given instructions or not, with respect to the better controlling agitation. Yes, the third point here it is the performance. Performance lead to the execution of the task based on the given programming. And even these instructions which will be imparted with respect to this execution system should be supported by the operating system, as we have discussed in the point number 1. And that operating system is nothing but hardware which will guide these particular executing softwares to work properly. Hence, we'll be having the data here. An artificial system, which is the system that is designed for controlling the robot based on the given data. So after the commencement of or after the execution of the particular task based on the given program, the analysis of these kinematics or dynamics, nothing but the actions, dynamics or kinematics in the sense we have already discussed in the previous unit, that the movement of the different types of links, either of the joints on either of the joints, that it either may be of the prismatic movements or the rotatory movements or the revolutionary movements that may execute based on the given type of instructions to the robot. So here the performance in the sense, this hardware will analyze that whether the actuations in the form of kinematics in a specific links based on types of joints is being performing in a greater advanced way or not. So that is the verification channel actually. Coming to the fourth point, meta knowledge. So meta knowledge in the sense the impartation knowledge or the programming framer will be calling programming framer, nothing but have to analyze. So if we have given this type of instruction, then this particular task will be getting progressed. For example, we need to pick a mobile from the one desk and it should be replaced in the another desk. So for that, a pick and place of kind of robot need to be identified. So for that, the programming need to be imparted over there. So for imparting the program, you have to frame the set of instructions. So nothing but the knowledge should be given in the form of instructions to the robot by your knowledge. So hence here meta knowledge in the sense, this is the knowledge about our knowledge. So I have to analysis our knowledge. It is an knowledge that will be origin of the information or relative importance or reliability. So reliability in the sense, the better way of commencing the activity. So why it is important? So to perform or to execute the task. So the technique here specifies that if the system is operating and progressing 10 different goods or manufacturing 10 different goods per 1 hour. So the implementation of this new technology or new idea that has developed in your mind must be that the overall the 10 objects, instead of manufacturing in 1 hour, it should be completed within either it may be of 45 minutes or else even the half an hour. So for that, what are the implementations, new technology implementations that You people are giving a meta knowledge to the system or to the robotic device in the form of the program is the main performance need to be observed here. See, for an example, we can consider, for example, the study of robotics in painless is painless. If the information came from the history of the student, if you have been think in that particular way, then the study related to that robotics, you will be getting land. So what are the previous technologies? Nothing but we'll be calling in actual ratio that literature review. Literature review. So what are the previous analysis that has been implemented and new techniques that has been implemented, new programs that has been formulated, new task performance robots has been implemented, new applications has been monitored by utilizing this operating system. So these and all are the different kinds of activities progressed by this implementation or study on this robotics. So based upon having these type of information in your mind, you'll be coming to an acknowledge that okay, by giving these instructions, this particular task will be getting progressed. So like that, you will be coming to an one idea. Later on, you'll be developing then some more new ideas in you, such as if you have been given, you have been edited this particular step to the previous step. Instead of writing two steps, if the both the instructions has been given in the single step, means whether the activity be commencing or not, and even one particular task will be getting reduced, execution of one step will be getting reduced, and both the activities will be progressing in only the single step itself. So hence the time also will be decreasing. So indeed, to complete the manufacturing of one particular part, automatically the time will be getting decreased. And for example, if for example, one part of examining or manufacturing has been decreased to 4 to 5 minutes in the sense, automatically it will be decreasing a maximum time in the bulk production units. And hence, by having that decrementing of time, more new products can be manufactured. Hence, it will be increasing the productivity. Right? That is the impartation of that meta knowledge. So let's have a detailed look that various techniques for representing the knowledge. So for representing the knowledge, first one, that is logic plays a major role. So these are the logics. So logics in the sense we have already have some of the logics in our electrical agitation also, and logic, or logic, NAND gating systems, and gate, or gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, like that. We'll be having a particular truth tables regarding it. So if one input has been given, two inputs are being set, then the answer will be getting executed in each and every phase, such as in AND gate, in the sense both the inputs has to be given, then only the output will be getting operated. So either in the OR gate itself, either of the gate has been given the input, then automatically output will be getting obtained. So such as this logics, which has been developed by the mathematicians or philosophers to produce a method for making the inferences from the facts. So getting the awareness on the facts, and indeed to commence the activities for those facts to overcome the difficulty facing problems. The logic allows to find out a particular programming by the shrinkage of the sequence of steps. So that in the case of C language or programming, the supporting C language will be calling the as in syntax. Nothing but instructions will be calling a syntax. A specific syntax will be getting identified or formulated, and those will be getting drawn. We are almost, these are some of the techniques or statements which has been given as an example here, which is lively getting progressed in different applications, such as playing of the games, modulating of the data, transferring of the data by utilizing the satellite basis system from one place to the another place. Just like, and one of the best example here, it is related to this syntax or programming IoT based, which is connected with respect to an IoT systemic basis. That is given in the form of two statements. First one is an all robotics play the games. First one, the Jack is a robotist, and we can come to a conclusion by a rule of interference that Jack plays the games. For example, you are one of the player, you're only one of the player having you have to play a game, particular game, and for that you will be one of the person, player A, and player B will be the system. And hence the system here in the sense based upon the given program, it will be getting interacted with you in that particular game solving. And hence, this is one of the application or rules of interference will be called the rules of interference as applied to the original set. Second step here it is the procedural representations. So in this, the method for storing the facts which has been identified plays a major role here. The storing and how to use those facts which has been stored in the form of the syntaxes, and in a logical based system, we are already having this CPU, and in that particular CPU, we are having a detailed application that mathematical calculations and ALU systems, there's arithmetic and logical control units, and this logic based systems having the rule of interference, which must be applied indeed to prove that a new point has been implemented. With the given information, additional information, it is possible that much efficiency can be generated by that particular robot. So that is the impact should be represented as an outcome. So by the implementation of the newly generated syntax in the programming, so upon execution, it's the basic step that it has to prove itself. That rule implementation should be prove itself that it is more efficient than the previously solved kind of problems, and it should be representation at the output range. Here output in the sense, for example, before implementing this syntax, if the task has been completed within the industry within 30 minutes means, so presently it should be completed within 20 minutes, either 20 minutes or else the 25 minutes. So 5 minutes is the plus point for us. And that by implementation of this new program or new technique or new instruction, set of instruction given in the form of a program to the robot leads to form this kind of database. That is we'll be calling the storing of that particular syntax in the form of a program in the database of the computer. And it will be having the facts, storing of the facts, such Jack is a robotist and all the robotists play the games. So simply they will be giving the name such Jock, Joy, Jill, like that. So normally we used to look out these particular names, but in learning of our rhymes also. So by storing these kind of information within the system, we could able to avoid any other of the information about the Jack. And automatically it will be moving on to correct the solution. Spontaneously it will be moving on to correct the solution if at all any of the logics has been appeared, disappeared. And we'll be normally utilizing the technical terms in the computer programs such as if then statements. So if at all the syntax has been satisfied or this condition has been satisfied, oh okay, generate the solution, feasible solution. So after the commencement or manufacturing of the problem or implementation of this syntax, if at all the system has been achieved within the confinement of area, then the solutions will be getting generated. Or else, if at all the results upon calculation has been exceeded furtherly, automatically it will be jumping to the other than the existing common possibilities. That is the representation of this if then statements. So if the condition has been given, automatically if that condition has been existing within the limitations based on the given from 0 to 10 for example, if the obtained answer has been existing in that, then the answer will be specifying. Or then, so again the remodifications recalling from the base onwards. So there's a loop system. So if the satisfying the condition after getting manufactured, input material has been taken and processing has been commenced. So if the dimensions upon inspection is being existing within the stipulated allowable dimensions of the system given in the program, then it will be moving on for the packing section. Or else, if at all it is not satisfying within the existing limitations, it will be again moving on for the modifications. So modifications why it is required, indeed to get the dimensions based on the given input. So that input in the sense based on the vendor's requirements, So that is the major point need to be observed. So in that category, you will be utilizing the if then statements. Next one is the semantic networks. So this is also one of the major network representation which will be consisting of these nodes and the arcs system. See, for example, these are the nodes or the objects or concepts, and arcs represent the relationship between them, such as our flow diagrams. See here in the diagram, it's clearly specifying that in Jack it is one node, student it is one node, roboticist it is one node, and games one node. So these are the nodal points. So nothing but the joints within the robots. So what the task need to be done? So that represent what type of links are existing, joints are existing, but the activation system plays a major role. Implementation of the logic within the program plays a major role. So whether it has to be moved or not, and if at all the movement is necessary, we all also seen that the kinematics and dynamics is must and should be represented. So with, and even here in the case of this artificial intelligence, the implementation of this special syntaxes should give the better efficiency levels than the existing technique. Hence, this Jack is a student. So is a perfect matching system. So if and then, so if he is the student, then it will be passing towards the educational strategy. And Jack is a robotist, then he is meant for having some of the knowledge and he is ready for making some of the robust programs or else any of the new sector implementations. So here student may be the robotist or else that robotist may be the students. So that Jack is a student, but also he is the robotist. And simultaneously, Jack is the robotist. Maybe he is also a student. Next thing, he plays the games. Jack is the robotist, plays the games. So Jack is the student, is also a robotist, plays the games. And even the second statement, Jack is a robotist and maybe the student plays the games, like that. So different nominals will be getting acquired. This is the implementation of this or techniques of artificial intelligence to be given imparted within the syntax of the program and the robotics artificial intelligence system. In the next class, we'll be discussing the machine learnings. So these are the small technical inputs, how the program will be feeding to the robotics. In the next class, we'll be discussing the machinery characteristics of the artificial intelligence within the robotics. Thank you.